Hello, this is Alan Mooring with AutoSystemTrader.com. Today I'm going to introduce our newest system, FX Cruiser, which trades a very long Euro-USD currency pair on a long 222-minute chart. So each one of these bars represents nearly 4 hours of time. I've compressed this data as much as possible so that I can show you the way this looks from a distant view, from a far-off perspective. And I want to go through both the positives and negatives of trading a strategy like this so you're aware of it. You'll see it takes some fairly large profits. It will hold the positions for weeks because it's looking for these major moves in the market. But you'll also notice that in times like this, where the market's a little choppy, you'll get a lot of drawdown. It isn't as bad as it may appear. If you go to, let me see if I can find the link here, or if I go to the performance report, here's what the equity curve looks like. It's not a system that you probably should trade all by itself, but if you combine this longer term strategy with shorter term strategy that works well in a choppy market or a trending market, then you'll have a good portfolio. We're noticing that between trades, max drawdown over 8 years is $6,688. Not too bad, considering we add $30 fees per trade in these reports and all of our reports. You can see all of this information by going to our website, and it's all under the Forex Trading tab here. And all of our individual systems are shown here. If you'd like to download or trade any of these systems, you can get them from a TradeStation download, but you'll need TradeStation 8.4 or later in order to run these systems. And this FX Cruiser, if you click on this link, every month we'll update the performance. And I'll show you what it looks like here in just a second as it loads up. And here's the report. And if you click on this page and take a closer look, every month we update this data. So every month this link will stay the same, but the report statistics will change. And it looks like this last month we had a really good month, over about $11,000. I don't know what it is. I guess I could look on the bottom. But it's a really good system. It holds up very well in real-time trading. I can demonstrate that by looking at the TradeStation strategy performance report. All of these are reported with slippage and commission fees. FX Cruiser is #1 on the Forex strategies with an average trade net profit of only 8 trades of $976. Now that's going to change as more and more trades are added. This may come down a little bit. I think over 8 years of data, this is still around $500 with the fees, if I'm not mistaken. But you can look at the report and see that this one will have a very high average trade net profit. So that's what makes FX Cruiser attractive to me. Once again, I don't think I would trade this by itself. I would trade it with, here's another one of our systems, FX Scout and FX Viper, and then we have another system, FX EuroRaiser, which has a custom session build. So we can't put it on the TradeStation strategy network, but that has a very smooth equity curve and trades fairly frequently, and it would smooth out the Cruiser's real-time equity curve. So that's it. That's it for me. This is Alan Mooring with AutoSystemTrader.com. You can visit us on the website. Take a look at all of our systems, which are reported with $30 fees per trade. Live trade data can be found on TradeStation Strategy Network. Thanks so much. Have a nice day.